Hello guys, welcome to the HQ Trader channel. In today's video, we're diving into another high win rate strategy that is extremely simple to execute. But before we get started, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more traders. Let's jump right in. First, let me show you what we need for this setup. A simple horizontal line. The 5-minute time frame, which will be our entry time frame. The VWAP indicator. And finally, we need to look at the daily candle. I'll explain why in just a moment. Now, let's set up our chart step by step. First, open the Indicators tab on TradingView, or whatever platform you use, and search for VWAP. Click to add it. Now, let's adjust the settings, which are crucial for this strategy. Set the reference period to daily or session. Scroll down to the bands multiplier section, enable the first band, and make sure its value is set to 1. Uncheck everything else except the upper band and the lower band. Great, now our VWAP is completely set up. To keep it simple, the core of the strategy is waiting for price to react at the VWAP and its bands. Every day, there is significant market movement with the New York session open. We are going to capitalize on this movement whenever our conditions align around the VWAP. Here is how we execute it. Go to the daily time frame first. As you can see, here is today's daily candle. All we need to do is draw a horizontal line right at the candle's open price. This line acts as our bias indicator. If the price is trading below this line, we look for sell setups. If it's above, we look for buy setups. Once the daily line is drawn, switch back to the 5-minute time frame. Now we wait for 9:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We want to see the very first 5-minute candle after the NYSE open. Next, draw a box zone from the upper band to the lower band. This will be our reaction zone. Since we are below the daily open line, we are strictly looking for sell reactions within this zone. Price should test or touch the main VWAP line, followed by a bearish candle closing back below the lower band to confirm the trend continuation. As you can see, the lower band was broken to the downside, giving us our sell setup. Enter right at the candle close. Place your stop loss just above the signal candle. Target a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. And just like that, target hit in a single candle. Now let's look at another example. Go to the daily time frame and mark the candle open. Switch back to the 5-minute time frame. Wait for our key time, 9:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Draw the reaction zone just like before. But here is a very important rule to remember. For sell setups, the drawn zone must be below the daily open line, and the price must be below the zone. For buy setups, the daily line comes first, then the zone above it, then the price above the zone. If the zone is above the daily line while price is below it, do not take the trade. Always make sure the alignment is correct. For buys, daily line, then zone, then price. For sells, daily line, then zone, then price. back to our example. Now we wait for price to pull back into our zone. It touches the VWAP line. Now we wait for a bearish engulfing candle to break below the lower band. There it is. We enter on the close, set the stop loss above the engulfing candle, and aim for a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Once again, take profit hit in one single candle. Of course, not every trade will be this smooth. The goal is to make sure your winning trades outweigh your losses over time, and that you backtest this thoroughly. I will be doing more backtesting on this strategy in upcoming videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's take one last example to lock this in. As usual, head to the daily chart and draw the open line. Go back to the 5-minute chart at the session open. Draw the zone and wait for the price to move into it. Price reaches the zone. Now we wait for an engulfing candle to break the lower band downward. Perfect, we got the break. Enter here. Stop loss above the signal candle, targeting 1-to-1 RR. And boom, target hit cleanly. This strategy is effective for anyone looking to pass prop firm challenges. I hope you find it valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.